Good morning po, Ann Soberano of Bombo Radio Philippines. Good morning po, Attorney and Kongs. Good morning. Hiniling po ni BP Sara na i-void, no? Just a follow-up question lang din po related doon sa nauna. Hiniling po ni BP Sara na i-void ang impeachment case at ang sinasabi niya na ang pagbabanta kay Presidente ay bahagi ng freedom of speech. Sakali pong tatanggapin ng Senado ang nasabing argumento tungkol sa freedom of speech, yung pagbabanta ni Vice President Sara, ano ang maaring maging epekto nito sa pananagutan ng mga halal na opisyal? Thank you po.
Malaki siyempre ang epekto na yan kung hindi papayagan yung pagpresenta ng evidence doon sa contracting an assassin and then making grave threats. That's Article 4 of the Articles of Impeachment. Paano yan? Anyone can just be blurting out all of those threatening words and remarks from a high official at that. And it's a high official, it's the second, happens to be the second highest official of the land, making those threatening statements against the highest official. So ano na po mangyayari? Anybody can just do that? And then paano po yan? Ay karapatan din ng prosecution na ilatag yung mga ebidensya, i-prove yung punto na yan. Trial po tayo. So kailangan payagan ang pagpresenta ng mga evidence para ilatag yung facts for the consideration of the impeachment court at para malaman, makita, marinig ng sambayanang Pilipino. So that's merely, yung procedural na naman yan, technicality na naman yan, even if they're raising such freedom of expression. But again, karapatan ng prosecution to prove its case against the Vice President.
Meron po kayong